If you are trying to make money online and it feels like nothing is working, this video is for you. Most people don't quit because they are lazy. They quit because of what happens in the first 90 days. This is a phase nobody prepares you for. This is a phase nobody is telling you about. You are learning, posting, building online, but the results are quiet. And if you don't understand this phase, you would think that you are failing when you're actually right on track. In this video, I am breaking down exactly what happens in the first 90 days of making money online and why most people quit right before things start working. Most people don't quit online because they are lazy. They quit because they expect too much money fast. Now, this is the big lie. Some people think that social media sells speed. So they feel that if things are not working very fast for them, then social media won't favor them. Then they will not make it. No, that's a lie. And that's a big lie at that. Social media doesn't just sell speed, it sells consistency. And that's what nobody's telling you about. That's what I'm showing you right here. I'm telling you about in this video. Now, there's another big lie. You feel nobody shows the boring beginning. Who told you that? What you see is a flashy part of online business where people are spending so much money, where people are making so much money, and then you see the lavish spending. Before they got to that stage, there was the consistent stage. So don't be moved by the big lies. Social media sells speed, and then you feel nobody shows the boring beginning. Now, this is the truth you need to know. The first truth is this. When you start an online business, there are no instant results. First weeks and the first months are the learning stage, testing stage, and the failing stage. So you'll be learning, testing, and then you will be failing. You have to get used to it. A wise man once said, if you have books on success but have no books on failure, your library is incomplete. What does that mean? Don't only prepare for success, prepare for failure. Because before you succeed, you must definitely fail. So get used to it. And the next thing you need to know is that efforts come before evidence. A wise man once said that efforts reward the man that has refused to quit. Effort rewards the man that refuses to quit. So you must be ready to succeed and don't quit. So you must put in the effort. You must be patient with the process. When you put in the effort with time, you will start seeing the evidence. And as a matter of fact, not just you alone, people will start seeing the evidence. You will start making the money online consistently. But the effort must be put in place. You must be ready. This happens with every online business and even every physical legitimate business. You must put in the effort. You must be patient with the process. You must be consistent. So effort will always come before what? Evidence. Now, this is another truth you need to know. When you start an online business, at the beginning, there is no daily payout. Okay? Online business has to do with delayed gratification. Let me say that again. Online business, online income is delayed gratification. What does it mean? It means before you get success, before you succeed in it, you must delay gratification. You must pay the price now. Gratification has to do with enjoyment, satisfaction. You must pay the price first, consistently, before you get the prize. You must pay the price, Price, before you get the prize, Prize. What does that mean? You must be patient with the process. So you will get paid after value is built. So every online income, every online business thrives on the principle of value. You must build value, whether it is a YouTube monetization you're after, whether it is a e-commerce, whether it's affiliate marketing, whatever business model it is, whether it's a digital product, whatever it is, whether it's drop shipping, whether it's a TikTok you're doing, there must be value. You must build value first. And that value stage is where you are learning, you are testing, you are implementing all you have learned. You must build value first. So you will only get paid after value is built. Now, if you are in your first 90 days of online business, comment 90 below. If you are in your first 90 days, as first 3 months of online business, comment 90 below. I want to know that you are still in the game. So comment 90 below. Now, another truth you need to know, which nobody is telling you about, is that average people win by not quitting. So average online business owners quit, or rather win by not quitting. because they are patient with the process. So they win because they don't quit. They win because they don't quit. Now, there's a popular saying that goes like this: quitters don't win and winners don't quit. So if you want to win, don't quit. Type in the comment section, I want to win, I won't quit. Type in the comment section, I want to win, I won't quit. So you see, quitters can never win and winners can never quit. So if you want to win, don't quit. And if you don't want to, if you want to win, don't quit. So be patient with the process. All right, this is another truth you need to know. Consistency beats talent. Consistency beats talent. So it is better you are consistent in your online business journey than you just have talent. Because if you have talent and you are not consistent, whether in an online business or in any physical business or any of your life's endeavor, you don't succeed just by being talented. You don't succeed by just being talented. You only succeed by being consistent. So consistency beats talent. So it's better you are consistent in this game, you will succeed, than you are just talented. Because talent in life will not take you far alone. But rather, when you are consistent, you will go far. So even if you don't have talents and you are consistent at something, you will definitely succeed. So consistency beats what? Talent. So type in the comment section, consistency. Type in the comment section, consistent. So average people win by not quitting. So most people quit right before success comes. They quit right before results start. Please don't quit. Rather, be patient with the process. Don't quit. Be patient, be consistent, because success will only come to the man that has refused to quit. Success will come to the man that has refused to quit. Success will come to the man that is consistent. It will come to the person who is consistent. So don't quit. Rather, stay consistent and you will see the results. Now, let's talk about what successful people actually do. What successful people actually do. Now, a successful online business owner treats online business as a real business. So, what should you do? If you want to succeed, treat this online business like a real business. Don't just see it as anything you're doing. Take it serious. So those who have succeeded in online business, they treat it as a real online business. And that's how to succeed. Take it as a serious online business. Take it as a serious online business. Take it as a serious business. The way people open their shop, they come and attend to customers. Take your business that way. Don't see it because you're using your phone or your laptop and then you see it as something casual. No, take it serious. If you have to post on time. If you have to comment. If you have to reply to somebody, that's if you are dealing with maybe a customer online. Take your business serious. Take it serious. This is very, very important. So successful people treat their business, they treat online business as a real business, and also they track progress, not just money. So when you start your online business journey, don't only be money conscious or be money minded, rather be progress minded. So successful people, they treat their business as a real business and they track progress. They don't just track money. So check back. If you have been into the online business, you started like 1 month ago, check since the time you started and now how far you have gone, what you have learned so far. Don't just check how many or how much you have earned, maybe how much money you've earned in naira or in dollars. No, that's not how to do it. Check since you started till now, what have you learned so far? Have you gained skill? Have you acquired skill? Have you learned something new? Have you realized the wrong way you were doing it before? That is what we call progress. You are improving day by day. So progress is not just how much you earn. Progress is how much you have learned, because it is what you learn that you put into practice and then earn. Because earning comes first by learning. It's what you learn, you will earn. So the more you learn, the more you earn. So successful people, they track progress, not just what? Income, not just money. And here is the mindset shift. Stop asking, how fast can I make money? When you are introduced into a legitimate online business model, stop asking, how fast can I make money? Rather, change your mindset to start asking this question, how long can I stay consistent? Instead of asking, how fast can I make money? Start asking, how long can I stay what? Consistent. It's like a 100 level medicine student, okay, in an institution, a university, that still has a long way to go. Because medicine and surgery takes about 6 to 7 years, plus housemanship, medical school, youth service and all that. Now that student asking him or herself a question like, how fast can it take me to finish this medicine program? That's the wrong mindset and the wrong question. The right question should be, how long can I stay consistent while I'm studying this program? How long will I be able to wait? How far will I be able to go? And if you feel or think you cannot stay that far, then you quit. But if you are truly ready, you don't ask how fast will it take me. So the same way, in the same vein, in your online business journey, ask the right questions. Don't ask how fast can it take me to make the money. Ask yourself, how far can I take? How far can I be consistent to make this money? It is the right question that will carry you through. It is the right question that will make you to succeed in your online business journey. So start asking the right questions. How consistent can I be? How far will I be consistent? Don't ask yourself the wrong questions. I started learning about how to make money online in 2020 during the COVID-19 lockdown. You see, I learned a lot. I paid for courses, I paid for trainings, I paid for classes. I spent a lot of money learning how to make money online. And then I started first with affiliate marketing in February 2021. I bought the 72 IG program produced by or created by Tony Omotosho, the digital marketing experts. And then I started in February 2021. I bought the course that was about 40,000 naira then, 40K then. I studied the program, watched the videos, studied everything, implemented everything. And guess what? I didn't make any sale. First day, first week, second week, third week, 1 month, 2 months. I was still learning, I was still implementing all I've learned. But guess what? My first sale came in 3 months after, in the month of May 2021. I made a sale of 50,000. And then, as the program is affiliate marketing, my commission was 25,000 naira, which is 50% into my account. That was how I started. Now, I never gave up. I kept implementing what I learned. Now, what kept me going was because I discovered that my coach and others in our community online who were making so much money, they never gave up. They were consistent. So I decided to be consistent. I saw this thing working for other people. I said, no, it can also work for me if I'm consistent. So I decided to be consistent. I never gave up. Even when I felt like giving, I felt like quitting. It was a very big challenge. But guess what? I decided to continue. I told myself, this is what is working for others. It can work for me too. So I refused to give up. I kept pushing and pushing. And before you know what, it kept working for me. I started making the money too. So you see, you too can also make it if you don't give up. You must be consistent. And that's why I'm bringing to you this video so you can stay consistent. These things I'm telling you here are things a lot of people will not tell you. You're only seeing the juicy part of online business. But I want to tell you the things nobody's telling you. And that is why you have to stay to the end of this video. Stay to the end of this video. So you see, online money is real. It is real. Making money online is real. It is the real deal. But then patience is the price. Patience is the price. Like I said in my own case, my own story, it took me 90 days to make my first income. 90 days to make my first income from online business, or should I say from affiliate marketing. Because I was patient, I was consistent, and I was paid 25,000, which is 50% of what I made. I sold a program for 50,000 naira, and then I got paid 25,000, which is 50% of the sale. That's how affiliate marketing works. So from there, I decided to continue. I was consistent. Of course, when I started, it took me 90 days, like I said, to make the first money. A time came, I felt like giving up, but I decided not to give up. That is what I want you to know and what I want you to do also in your online business journey. Please don't give up. Be patient with the process. And that's why I'm bringing you this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you have gained value from this video, consider liking this video, commenting, share this video with your friends, your loved ones, your family, and subscribe to this channel for more honest money making ideas. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be updated when I post new videos. Thank you so much again for watching. Till I meet you again to your continuous financial and business success. God bless you.